Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing a question asked by one of our students in the comment section. This is a discrete time signal example and even and odd type. So here we have to find out the even and odd parts of the discrete time signal as given here. If you also have any doubts related to electronics and telecommunication engineering, you can put it in the comments and we'll try to respond. Now, x of n is equal to u of n minus u of n minus 5. So here I have drawn a basic u of n. U of n is the unit step signal, as you all know. You can ignore this line in between. It's just the points that we have marked. So this is u of n, which starts from 0 and goes up to infinity with amplitude 1 at the integer number points. Now u of n minus 5 is the delayed version of the same signal. So the same signal shifted by 5 times to the right. So you have the signal which starts from 5 and ends to or goes up to infinity with amplitude 1. And to get x of n, you have to subtract the second one from the first. When you subtract from 0 to 5, you can see the first signal has amplitude 1 and second signal has amplitude 0. From 0 to 4, at 5 it has amplitude 1. So from 0 to 4, if you subtract the amplitudes, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, and so on till 4. So I have drawn that. And at 5, or from 5 onwards, you will see that both signals have amplitude as 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0, and this will continue till infinity. So from 0 to 4 only you have a signal with non-zero amplitude. So this will be a final x of n, and this we have to use to find our even and odd components. Now you know that to find out the even and odd components, you also need the reversed signal. So that's what I've performed here, x of minus n. Just mirror it on the y-axis. So instead of starting from 0, the signal starts from minus 4 and ends at 0 with same amplitude 1. And I'll also write the uh, formula for x even and odd. Even one will be x of n plus x of minus n by 2, and odd one will be x of n minus x of minus n by 2. So here we have x of minus n, here we have x of n. So first let's try to find out the even part. So for the even part, first what I've done is I've tried to add the 3 and 4. So that will be the numerator of our even function. So when you add, you can see that from minus 4 to minus 1, first signal's amplitude is 0, second signal's amplitude is 1. So 0 plus 1 will give us 1. So 1, 1, 1, 1. And at 0, first signal's amplitude is 1, second signal's amplitude is also 1. So it will be 2. So that's what I've plotted here. And from 1 to 4, first signal's amplitude is 1, second signal's amplitude is 0. So 1 plus 0 will be 1. So that's what we have plotted here. So our final signal will look like this. Minus 4 to minus 1 and 1 to 4, amplitude is 1. At 0, amplitude is 2. Now what we have as even part is not this signal, but the same signal divided by 2. So we'll be doing amplitude scaling by 2, meaning divided by 2. So whatever amplitudes we have here, we have to just divide it by 2, and that is what we have over here. This is our x e of n. This I can say it's 3 plus 4, and this is our even part. So at 0 amplitude is 1, and from minus 4 to minus 1 and 1 to 4 it is 1 divided by 2, which is zero point 0.5. So 0 it is 2 divided by 2, which is 1. Hope you got this. Next part is the odd one. So for odd you're going to do 3 minus 4. 3 minus 4. So 3, you can see that from 0 to 4 we have 1 amplitude, and the second signal or the fourth signal you have minus 4 to 0 as, or yes, as 1. So when you subtract both of these, from minus 4 to minus 1, first signal's amplitude is 0, second signal's amplitude is 1. So 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 will all be minus 1. That is what I plotted here. And at 0, first signal's amplitude is 0, second signal's amplitude is, first signal's amplitude is 1, second signal's amplitude is 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. So that's what we have put here. And from 1 to 4, first signal's amplitude is 1, second signal's amplitude is 0. So 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0, that will be 1. So that is what we see here. So in this final signal, you have from minus 4 to minus 1 as minus 1 amplitude, 1 to 4 as plus 1 amplitude, at 0 it is 0. But the final one, that is the odd signal component, will be found out only if you amplitude scale by 2, that is divide by 2. So here if you amplitude scale the entire signal by 2, you will have from minus 4 to minus 1 as minus 1 by 2, which is minus zero point 0.5, and from 1 to 4 as 1 by 2, which is zero point 0.5 plus zero point 0.5, and at 0 it is 0 by 2, which is 0. So this is our odd component of the signal. So this is our final even and odd part of the signal. So hope you understood this. If you have any doubts related to this signal or any other concept in electronics or computer science engineering, you can put it in the comments and we will try to respond. Also, if you have specific queries related to computer science, you can put it on the Ebenezer Tutorials channel and we will try to put a video there. Also, we do have we have DSA related videos there, which will be very helpful if you are looking for any help related to computer science. Please do support Ebenezer Tutorials as well. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you.